In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Mailerlite email subscriber list. Let's start right inside your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the section labeled Subscribers. This is where Mailerlite keeps all of your contacts, including people who signed up through forms, landing pages, or any other list-building tools you're using. Go ahead and click on Subscribers to open that area. When the subscribers page loads, you'll see different tabs across the top. Find and click on the tab that says All Subscribers. This view is important because it shows every contact in your account, not just people from a specific segment or group. By working from the All Subscribers tab, you can be confident that you're exporting exactly the list you want, whether that's everyone or just a selected portion. Next, it's time to choose which subscribers you want to export. On the left side of each row, you'll see a checkbox next to each email address. You can manually tick the boxes for just the specific subscribers you need. This is helpful if you're working with a small subset or doing something very targeted. If you want to export everyone that's currently visible in this list, look at the very top row of the table. There's a main checkbox there. Clicking this top checkbox will select all subscribers on the page. Depending on how many contacts you have, Mailerlite may give you an option to select all subscribers in your account, not just the ones on the current screen. If you see that option and you want a full export, make sure to confirm that you want all of them selected. Once you've made your selection, find the Actions drop-down menu, usually located above the list of subscribers. Click on Actions to open the menu. This is where Mailerlite groups common bulk actions such as moving subscribers, updating fields, and of course, exporting data. From the drop-down, choose the option labeled Export. When you click it, Mailerlite will ask you which file format you'd like to use. You typically have two choices, CSV or Excel. CSV files are great for importing into other email tools, CRMs, or spreadsheet programs like Google Sheets. Excel format is ideal if you prefer working directly in Microsoft Excel and want everything neatly organized in a familiar file type. Select the format that best fits how you plan to use the list, confirm your choice, and Mailerlite will generate your export file, ready for download and future use.